Good morning, beautiful people. This is the woman who speaks, Celeste here. Today I have another video about a membership program that I'm in, and I received a box yesterday, and I decided to show you guys what I get and how it works. And beforehand, let me tell you, I'm not sponsored by that company. Use it to get my stuff there because they have variety of product that you can get. When I say product, it could be shoes, booties, flats, and everything. So I've been member with them for the past 5 years, and I like them. It's a kind of like a flexible membership that allows you to shop or skip the month by the 5th of each month, or your credit card will be billed if you don't skip the month, because you have until the 5th to skip the month if you don't want to buy anything. And if you don't skip the month before or on the 5th of each month, then on the sixth day they will charge your credit card $39.95. And the website is JustFab. And guys, their shoes are, most of them are phenomenal. When I say phenomenal, you get boots, high boots, tie boots, flats, sandals. I think now they carry kids too. You can find clothes, any type of clothes you are looking for any type of occasion. And what I really like about them is similar look with other company, but they always something different about their product. And I shop with them a lot, and I am a member. And when you become a VIP member, you get your first, let's say today you take a quiz, because they will give you a quiz to see, okay, what kind of things you like. When I said things like shoes, clothes, the type of figure you have and stuff, to customize your closet for you. So they will give you a short quiz asking you certain question. After you sign up with them, then they will give you your first pair of shoes for $10. And afterwards you get, let's say you find something on the website for $69.99, but as a VIP member you always get a discount. You will pay less than that. You can at least get 10% off your regular price. So it is a good thing, at least you save something. But you have to stay on the lookout for the 5th of the month, because if you don't skip, your credit card will be charged $39.99, but I mean $39.95, sorry. If you what I was about to say, the $39.95 is not like you can redeem it. You can go online on the website and find yourself something for the price. I don't know if you understand what I mean. It's not like they're charging you, but you cannot get anything out of it. You will get something by just find yourself something on the website. Then they will add the $39.95. If the what you get is more, you'll just pay the difference. So that's the way it works. And you can cancel anytime. It's not like a requirement to stay with them for a long period of time. I think they have over 1,000 shoes, so you will definitely find something on the website. And they have, like I said, they have different type of trendy shoes and stuff and clothes. And after you take the quiz, they will email you your closet every month to tell you if there's anything changed or what they have in stock as a new style and everything. I think is if you want to give it a try, you can let me know what you think. But without further ado, let me show you what I get from them. I don't really know how many I have, because for the past 2 or 3 months I forgot to skip the month, but my Gmail account is overbooked, so I forgot to check it, and then they charged me. So I decided to go ahead and get some boots, because it's it's winter in New, is it winter, fall? It's fall in New York City. So I decided to get me some boots. I don't know how many they sent me, but I chose, I guess, 2 or 3. But sometimes when you are a VIP, they send you extra stuff like magazines and stuff. So without further ado, let me show you what I have. And before I do so, welcome to my old subscribers, and if you are a newbies, welcome. Take a chair, grab a cup of tea or water, and come enjoy the ride together, because we've been out for a couple months now, but the results are getting there. So yes guys, let me show you what I get. This is the box. This is the box, and yeah, that's my label and stuff. So I will go ahead and you know what, let me do it on camera because I don't want you guys to see. No, I'm not gonna stab anybody. I'm just opening up the box. Let me show you what I get. Oh wow. Wow. When I open the box, it looks like this. So this one, they sent me a 50% off of my first 2 delivery from HelloFresh. And HelloFresh is a meal kit where they prepare your meal for you and then they box it, send it to you. So I got a 50% off if I want to try them out. Oh yes, I only have two pair. So this is my info, how many shoes I get and stuff, and if I have to return any of them. Okay, let me go ahead, and this is the shoes right there. These are the shoes. Let's see. Let's check the first one. It says Shoe Dazzle. Yes, they are the same thing. Shoe Dazzle, JustFab, same thing. Don't worry about that. And when I lift up the top, the shoes come well packed. And wow, I have something similar to that, but I like it. And this one is a navy blue, and this is the way it looks like. It has a buckle here, a zipper all the way down, and it's kind of like 1 inch, and there's a buckle right here. It looks like a Chanel pattern, and there's another long zipper. Let me see if it works. Yes, it does work, so you don't have to squeeze your feet in here. Yeah, I really like it. And that one is a size 10, and the name of it is Flat Boots Cersei Navy, and the color is navy, and like I said, the size is 10. Yes, I have big foot, because with my boots I always get 1 size up because I use socks. So yes, and this is it. I will have a lookbook showing you how I dress it up or down. I think it will be like right above my knee. Yeah, because it's long. That's the first pair. I'm gonna put it aside. Then that is the second one. It says JustFab, and the name of it is Flat Boots Area Dark Gray, and is in size 10. Yes, when I open it up, same one, well packaged. Then when I lift up the package, wow, that is so pretty. It is so pretty. And this is the way it looks like. Let me give you a closer look. And the same way, but this one is not all the way up. The zipper is not, oh, it matches my nails, guys. The zipper is not all the way up, it's kind of like halfway. Is it halfway? No. Okay, you see where it is. I'm not doing no math here. And he has a little buckle here. Let me take that off and show you. It's adjustable, and you just slide your fit in, and this is how it looks like. And the same way I will have a video showing you guys how I pair both shoes. I don't know if it's for a dress down or a dress up look, but I will definitely show you how I dress them. So this is it. And oh, one more thing, this is me a mascara. Oh my god. And I have a $2 discount. That's why I like these. I like the website, because you always get something without, you know, they don't tell you anything. They just send you a specific or a certain type of, I don't know, words, or to encourage you or to get your money more easily. I don't know, but I really like that about them, guys. And this one is from Voluminous Lash Paradise, and it's the number 200, and the color is black as black. Wow. And I needed one of this because my mascaras are getting so tacky right now. Sometimes I add some eye solutions, but after 3 or 6 months you have to get rid of them anyhow. So yes, I really needed this one, and it's from L'Oreal Paris. Yeah guys, and I just proved to you what I just said without knowing that I was gonna get it, because I opened the box right in front of you guys. So guys, I think this is it for the unboxing. Like you see, it's not a lot of things, but I am pleased with my product, or my shoes, my boots. So yes guys, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. So before the video ends, go smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell that you can be notified every time I upload a video, that you don't miss anything that I post, because I post 2 videos per week, and you can get everything in here. So subscribe right now and press the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload a video. And guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next. Bye, love.